Now to turn to your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca is in the Weather Center tracking yet another beautiful day, Tony.
It's gorgeous. Lots of sunshine. Mike and Kim, temps in the upper 70s to low 80s. Just seems like the rainy weekends go by so slow and the sunny ones go by real fast, because this one went by fast. And we're keeping the sunshine today after what we had over the weekend. Take a peek outside with nothing but blue skies and folks still going to the beach. Why not, right? It's still decent this time of year. Looking at temperatures along the shoreline in the 70s. The tide is high, so maybe the crowd's not as large as typically during the middle of the summer, but a lot of folks enjoying the beach right now at Easton's Beach in Newport with sparkling sunshine and temperatures that are in the upper 70s to low 80s. Made it to 82 in Providence. That's actually above the average high by several degrees. But many areas upper 70s to low 80s. Humidity not too bad, so it's not uncomfortable. As our threat tracker, we'll keep it green tonight, Tuesday, through at least the daylight hours of Wednesday. Things start to turn unsettled in terms of precipitation showers, maybe some thunderstorms in that later Wednesday night, not day, but rather later Wednesday night into Thursday and Friday. We'll show you that in the 7-day forecast. But satellite photo looks promising here in New England with clear skies. We have a front that is offshore. It's the leading edge of some drier air that has settled in. That front is draped and stalled just to our south. So it's like a picket fence. One side of it, the humidity is fairly comfortable. On the other side, it's still muggy and warm with temperatures 80s and 90s. This is Nicholas, Texas, Houston, Corpus Christi, area of low pressure right in there. Winds are at 60 miles per hour. This is the latest from the National Hurricane Center, moving north at 12. And the forecast track just has it crawling across Texas and Louisiana over the next several days with drenching rain. So this is obviously a concern for the deep south. Maybe some of this remnant moisture trying to sneak in towards the end of the week. But in the meantime, this is going to stay across the Gulf Coast as a very slow mover. Forecast this evening and overnight is just kind of clear to partly cloudy. Extra clouds, though, after midnight. Looking at temperatures by 7 in the morning, starting off in the low 60s. Overall, your Tuesday looks pretty good. You know, partly sunny skies, somewhere between about 75 and 80. So temperatures about 5 degrees cooler than what we had today. But you work outdoors, you're going to be outdoors tomorrow. Looks pretty good. Temperatures tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock are in the mid 70s. And then later tomorrow night at 11 o'clock, partly cloudy, upper 60s to around 70. So for tomorrow morning, we're waking up to a mix of both clouds and sunshine, and mainly mild and dry. The wind starting off light northeast at 5 to 10 should switch southeast in the afternoon and evening. Sunshine, fair weather clouds, temperatures reaching the upper 70s, so about 5 degrees cooler than today, but still pretty nice. Bay forecast shows that wind shift, first northeast, light, and then southeast in the afternoon, 5 to 10 knots. Visibility unlimited. Water temp still holding in the lower 70s. Beach is not bad with a mix of clouds and sunshine. Air temperature at 75. Surf running 1 to 3 feet. Of course, rip currents have been an issue the last several days, lowering a bit for tomorrow, but still use some caution going in the water. All right, 7-day forecast, decent on Tuesday. Wednesday day looks fine. Breezy and warmer, summer-like. It's later Wednesday night, and this is sort of the unsettled time frame. Wednesday night, Thursday, and Friday with scattered showers and temperatures in the upper 70s. Right now, we're being cautiously optimistic on Saturday and keeping it dry, Kim. There'll be a storm offshore. We feel as though, now this is 6 days out, that it should stay offshore. But check back with this. If it would have come a little closer, it would mean rain for Saturday. But for now, we're keeping it dry. And in the meantime, we're looking good next couple of days.
It would be nice to have yet another beautiful weekend.
I'm working on it.
All right, Tony, thanks.
Go ahead.